everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a healthy cucumber salad. First, chop spring onion and minced garlic, then set aside. Slice your tomatoes into halves. Carrot slice into long thin slices using the peeler and the knife. But if you have a handy shredder, that would be better. Then do the same with the cucumber. In a boiling water, blanch the carrot for 30 seconds, but not more than 1 minute. Then take it out, then into a cold water, then drain. Boil, crack and beat 2 eggs, then fry into the pan until cooked, then set aside. For the sauce, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, then the minced garlic. Sauté until golden, then pour on top of chopped spring onion with the oil. Then add 1 tablespoon sugar, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar. Mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then pour on top of the vegetable and the cooked eggs. Toss well. Then arrange into the serving plate and serve. Thanks for watching.